In this video, we're going to learn to use the built-in step sequencer. Redrum's built-in step sequencer, it's really fun to use, and hopefully it will provide you lots of inspiration for your beats. How does it work? Well, here we have again 16 steps, 1 through 16, and the resolution is 16 notes, meaning that we're going to have 4 steps per beat. To use the step sequencer, we have to use the select button. By selecting, for example, this drum channel, number 1, whatever I'm punching in here is going to be triggered by the drum. For the step sequencer to function correctly, you want to be sure that this button, Enable Pattern Section, it's on. And now to hear what I just punched in, I'm going to hit the Run button. While I'm still playing, I'm going to select the snare channel. As you can see, now the sequencer is blank because this is the snare part, not the kicks, that it's still there. Select the snare, punch in some stuff. Let's look for another sound that I want here. Not that one. How about this one? Hi-hats. And that's basically how you do it. Once you start running your pattern, keep adding different types of rhythm until they add up something that you can groove to. Of course, you can change the resolution of your pattern. To demonstrate this, I'm going to play along with the click, 16 note resolution. Eight note resolution. Eight note triplets. Notice that the click is always constant. 16 triplets, 30-second notes, and so forth. Now let's focus on the snare for a bit. I'm going to solo the snare track and run my pattern. Listen to what happens whenever I click over these lights here. Can you hear that flam? It sounds like I'm hitting the snare with 2 sticks. And you can make the flam wider with this knob right here. Or you can make the flam more immediate. Another thing that you can do is to have different dynamics, hard, medium, and soft. By default, they're set to medium. Let's try a few soft ones here. And a hard one. So you can achieve quite a bit of expression by having 3 dynamics: hard, medium, and soft. Let's unsolo this track and listen to the whole pattern. What I did here was to program a pattern. Reason has 4 banks of 8 patterns each per Redrum, so that's plenty for a song. Here I program pattern 1A. Now I'm going to move into pattern number 2 of my A bank. And it's of course empty, so I can start this one from scratch. That's pattern number 2. Now I can copy one pattern and paste it into the other. Pay attention to this. I'm going to show you how to open Redrum's edit menu. To do that, it's very easy. You just need to control and click over any area of the Redrum that does not have a button or a knob, like this. So now I'm going to choose the copy pattern command, go to number 3, again control click wherever I don't have buttons or knobs, paste pattern. Be careful to control click in a place where you don't have buttons or knobs, because if you do, you're going to open the automation menu, and we don't want to get there yet, but very soon.